Hello everyone. In this session, for those who are new to Bitget, I will organize everything from how to sign up to how to trade futures. Beginners, please follow along step by step. If you sign up through the link below this video, you can receive a 50% fee discount on Bitget and 20% cashback, as well as various bonuses, so I recommend signing up through the link below. First, I will organize how to sign up for Bitget. If you access through the link below, you will be directed to the official Bitget registration page. Let's create an account first. Please create your account using your email address or mobile number. The password must include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character, and must be at least 8 characters long. Next, please enter the referral code. The referral code cannot be entered later, so make sure to enter it at this step. Please enter *3 in the referral code field. If you enter *3, you can receive a 50% fee discount and 20% cashback on Bitget, as well as various bonuses. Once you have completed all entries, check all the agreement boxes below and click Create Account. According to the icon order shown at the top right, click the images on the screen in order. When a verification code is sent to your email or mobile number, enter the received code. Then your Bitget account will be successfully created. Next, let's proceed with KYC verification. To use deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions on Bitget, you must complete KYC verification. Since this KYC process includes a face verification step, we will continue on mobile. Search for the Bitget app on your mobile device and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app. First, press the Get Started button to log in. Log in using the account you just created on PC. Once logged in, press the Verify button for KYC verification. Press the Verify Now button once more. First, select your country, and also select the issuing country. Next, proceed with ID verification. From the various ID types below, choose one ID that you have. In this session, we will proceed with a passport. After selecting, press Next. Now prepare your ID and press the I'm Ready button. To take a photo of your ID, press Take a Picture. Now align the passport information page within the camera frame and take a clear photo. Next, proceed with face verification for identity confirmation. Align your face within the camera frame and follow the instructions such as nodding your head or blinking your eyes. Then the KYC submission will be completed. Now the KYC review will take about 1 hour. And after a few minutes, you will see that the KYC approval is completed. Next, let's set up account security. Please move back to the Bitget PC screen. Click the profile icon at the top right of the home screen. And click the Security tab in the menu below. We will set up account security using the highly secured Google Authenticator. To activate Google Authenticator, click the Configure button. Then you will be taken to the Google Authenticator link screen. Search for the Google Authenticator app in the App Store or Play Store and install it. Once installed, open the app. Then press the plus button at the bottom right and select Scan a QR code. When the camera scan screen appears, scan the QR code generated on the Bitget PC screen. Then a 6-digit code will be generated in the Google Authenticator app under the name Bitget. Check this 6-digit code and enter it into the Google Authenticator code field on the Bitget PC screen. Then click Submit. Google Authenticator will be activated, and the account security setup will be completed. Second, I will organize how to trade peer-to-peer on Bitget. There are various ways to deposit coins into Bitget. In this session, we will organize the peer-to-peer trading method, which does not incur fees. First, hover your mouse over the wallet icon at the top right of the screen. Then you can see various wallet types. Here, Spot is a wallet for deposit, withdrawal, and spot trading. And Futures is a wallet for futures trading. To deposit coins, select Spot. Click the Buy Crypto button at the top right. There are various methods to purchase coins in the top menu. Select Peer-to-Peer Trading, or hover over the Buy Crypto button at the top left, and select Peer-to-Peer Trading to go directly to the Peer-to-Peer Trading screen. First, switch to Buy mode to purchase coins. Next, select the coin you want to buy. Usually, USDT is commonly used because of its low volatility and high trading volume. Enter the purchase amount here. And also select the local currency you will use. Press the button next to it to select the payment method. Once selected, a merchant list will appear below. If you want to trade safely, it is recommended to trade with merchants who have many successful orders and a high completion rate. Select the merchant you want to trade with and click the buy button next to it. Before proceeding, make sure to check the advertiser terms. Some advertisers may require additional KYC verification. Then enter the amount you want to purchase and select the payment method. Once everything is set, click Buy USDT. Then the advertiser's deposit information will appear. Before making the payment, be sure to check the advertiser's chat first. Now carefully check the payment details and proceed with the payment. Once the payment is completed, return to the Bitget screen and click Paid, notify the other party. While the advertiser confirms the payment, click the wallet icon at the top right again on the Bitget screen. Click Spot. After a short while, once the advertiser confirms the payment, you will see that the coins have been deposited into Spot. Finally, I will organize how to trade futures on Bitget. To trade futures on Bitget, you need to transfer coins from your Spot account to your futures account. First, to transfer coins, click Transfer at the top right of the Spot account. Set the transfer direction from Spot to USDT M futures and select the coin to transfer. Enter the amount to transfer and click Confirm. Then the coins will be transferred to the futures account. Now, to proceed with futures trading, hover over Futures in the top menu. Click the USDT M futures menu. Then you will be taken to the futures trading screen. First, click the coin button at the top left to select the coin you want to trade. In the trade panel on the right, you can set up detailed futures trading options. Click this button to set the margin mode. Isolated uses only part of your margin, while cross uses your entire margin. Beginners are recommended to use the relatively safer isolated mode. Next to it, click this button to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. But the higher the leverage, the higher both profit and liquidation risk. So beginners are recommended to use lower leverage. Below, you can set the order type. Limit places an order at a specified price, and market places an order immediately at the current market price. Here you can see your available margin. In this area, you can set the trading price and quantity. Below, click these buttons to select a position direction. If you expect the price to rise, press Open Long. And if you expect the price to fall, press Open Short. Once you have selected the position direction, click the Positions tab below. Then you can see the current position status of the entered coin. Here, row shows the current rate of return. Est liquidation price is the liquidation price, and if this price is reached, the position will be automatically liquidated, so be careful. Entry price is the price at which you entered the position, and mark price is the current market price. If you click the pencil button next to margin, you can add or remove margin. If you click the pencil button under entire TPSL, you can set take profit and stop loss. Finally, if you click the close button, you can close your position. Enter a limit price in close price and the quantity in close quantity. Then click close for a limit close. If you click flash close, you can close at market price. Now click confirm, and you will see that the position has been fully closed. In this session, for those who are new to Bitget, I organized everything from how to sign up to how to trade futures. If you have any questions while watching, please feel free to leave a comment. If this video was helpful to you, please support with a like and subscription. Thank you for watching today.